every year, world loses nearly 10 million hectares of forest area, a size equivalent to the size of country of Iceland. That means if we are depleting forest at this rate, in 100 to 200 years, the forest would be completely lost. Now, to combat this, scientists at MIT have come up with a new concept, and this is the lab grown wood. Now, this wood would be, of course, the future of the furniture, and this process was started with the leaves of a young plant, which was the Zinnia elegans, and this plant was the one from where the scientists isolated the cells, and these cells were cultured in a liquid medium for 2 days, then were transferred to a gel based medium, and finally the nutrients and hormones were given to it. So similar to how the stem cell therapy works in animals, this therapy would work in plants. Then there was a 3D printer who would extrude the cells and finally keep it in a petri dish and incubate it in dark for 3 months. Of course, the results were much faster than the real rate of a plant growth, and therefore these lab grown woods could be changing the future of wooden furniture or the furniture. So of course, a very important topic, a very important research by the scientists of MIT, and this would be a breakthrough innovation which would actually be one which would protect the issues of climate change and environment sustainability as well. So thanks for joining, a very important topic for your upcoming examination. We will be covering many such important researches. Stay tuned. Thank you.